Brennan's not really here.
Yeah, I heard he was being an asshole.
Yeah, we got in a big fight, and, you know, he just wasn't doing things with me anymore. He was sick.
Yeah.
Didn't feel well.
He's probably out having sex.
Probably. Dies. Anyways,
What's that smell?
oh my god, the lasagna!
Ooh. Huh. Rust stop. Weather resistant, prevents rust, and seals and protects. Pretty cool. I get some of this. What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Alexandra, oh my god! What happened? Someone just came in and stole something! What? Someone just stole
Oh my god, not that psycho again!
Oh my god! You have people that steal things? Yeah! Oh my god! They stole the rust stop!
The rust stop?
Oh my god!
Don't like you're a
Anyways, what the hell was I doing?
a little burnt.
Oh.
But
I'll deal.
okay.